In today's video, I'm gonna share some of the new items from 1854 collection and something extra as well. Please guys, stay with me. Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for clicking on this video. My name is Oksana, and in today's video I want to talk about 1854 collection from Louis Vuitton. But before I proceed to that, I want to introduce, or I shouldn't say introduce because all of you know this company, and this is Ana Luisa from New York. I was fortunate enough that they approached me and asked me if I want to share some of the items with you guys, and the company is absolutely fantastic. They're all about sustainable items, and this is the box how I received the items. Everything came so very quickly. They use DHL Express, and as I said, everything about sustainable fashion. Even on the box they have a special message right there, guys. So everything about less waste and creating beautiful pieces. So let me share with you two items that I choose. They both came in these absolutely gorgeous packages. This is the item number one. It's earrings. I absolutely love them. They're gold plated, 14 karat gold plated. Name of these earrings is the Moon. Absolutely gorgeous, and I love that they're somewhat traditional looking but with a twist. I would say somebody who is young and vibrant can wear these earrings, and somebody who is more mature like myself also can enjoy these designs so very much. Obviously I'm gonna try these earrings on right now, guys, and show to you how they sit on me. I absolutely love it. Let me now come closer to the camera. So here is the earrings, absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, they sit perfectly on the ear. I love them. I absolutely love them. What I love about Ana Luisa is that they think about environment, the change of the climate, and they use 99.99% recyclable materials. Like they use scrap gold for gold plating, and everything in their company about sustainable and ethic fashion. So let me show you second item. I'm also very excited about this item. So this is the ring. Absolutely gorgeous, so classy item. You cannot go wrong with this ring, and I'm gonna put it on right now and show for you guys. Absolutely gorgeous. And as I said, when I opened this item, my daughter, who is 16 years old, already fighting me, saying that she wants to have this ring. It's absolutely fantastic. So let me just put it on and show for you guys. I got my ring in a size 7, and as you can see, it sits perfectly. So I obviously gonna keep it on right now because I absolutely love it. Thank you very much, Ana Luisa, for sending me this item. And I want to mention a few things about the prices. Their prices as low as $39. It's for everybody, something over there. My prices, because obviously I'm situated in Canada and my price is shown in Canadian dollars. These earrings that I'm wearing right now, the name of these earrings is Moon, and the price is 140 Canadian dollars. And the rings that I'm wearing, that I showed to you guys already, the name of this ring is Noah, and the price is 91 Canadian dollars. And once again, I'm gonna put all the information in the description box below. Please check Ana Luisa from New York. Thank you very much once again, Ana Luisa, for sending me all these items. So right now, let's start with unboxing of my new Louis Vuitton items. And this collection is kind of controversial because not everybody love it, but in the latest collection from Louis Vuitton, I would say you get two opposite camps. Somebody love it and somebody hate it. Myself personally, because when I went to boutique the day before, I saw Never Full, I saw On The Go, I saw some of the shoes, sneakers, etc. I would say in the larger items, I find it's a little bit too busy, but what I got for myself, I absolutely love it. So let me show to you, and I will demonstrate how I gonna use these items, because once again, talking about, as I said, Anna Luisa, they were talking about sustainable items. Myself, I find lately I wanna buy maybe a little bit less, you know, but reusing my handbags, and I can always dress my handbag with twillies, etc. And the first item I got, it's a twilly, absolutely gorgeous, and I will show to you how I want to use this twilly on my handbags, or for that matter on my outfits. So here is the twilly. By the way, guys, if you need to know information about the twilly, right there, here's the number. On the website, they call this color gray. I would say there is a little bit kind of grayish bluish undertone to it. And as I said, like, I can use it as a twilly and I can use it on my handbags. But before I proceed how I'm gonna use it on my handbag, I wanna show you my second item, and then you will get the idea of what I wanna do with these items. So my second handbag, oh my gosh, my second item, I didn't buy the bag this time in this box, and I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. Here is the information about this item, if any of you might be potentially interested. And ta-da! Here is the strap. There you go, guys. And this is, once again, on the website they call it gray or grease color, but it's kind of like the back side is black and this part is a fabric. And the reasons that I didn't buy any of the handbags, once again, the first reasons that I decided to be more selective of my purchases, and I don't want just spending money for the sense of spending. As I said, I already have enough Louis Vuitton handbags, and I thought instead of buying the handbag, I can buy just a strap and twilly, and I can dress so many of my handbags from Louis Vuitton, and it doesn't even have to be Louis Vuitton. An example is my Pochette Metis, and there you go, guys. Okay, it took me a little bit of time to maneuver all these, you know, twists and turns on my twilly, but I did it. So the twilly is on. There you go, guys. And I think it's absolutely fantastic. It has kind of blackish grayish undertone, and I love that my Pochette Metis, it's in dark gray, or in French they call it tourterelle. So obviously absolutely fantastic item looking together. And here is my strap, and there you go, guys. I obviously gonna demonstrate it how it's gonna look like on me. There you go. And as I said, it looks fantastic on my Pochette Metis, but I would say any simple black handbags will look once again gorgeous with this strap. But I would say it's gonna look even nice on my Hermes 2424. Let me actually try it on that bag. And here is my Hermes 2424. By default, it comes with this very short strap and kind of like a thinner version of the strap. So let me try with this Louis Vuitton. And somebody, you know, I mean, I love Hermes. Obviously, Hermes is top of the top. But somebody maybe even say it's abomination, you know, to use a Louis Vuitton strap on Hermes. But I disagree. There you go, guys. You see how cool this strap looks on my Hermes bag. And let me also try to put twilly. And that's about it for my Louis Vuitton 1854 collection. I think it's absolutely fantastic collection. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to check the description box about Ana Luisa items. I absolutely love it. I will try to put a couple of links if you like the items that I choose, or if you like something different, because as I said, they have variety of the items for everybody. I hope, guys, that you enjoyed this video. If you like the video, please don't forget to give me thumbs up. If you enjoy my channel in general, please consider subscribing. And I guess that's it for this video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.